everybody, and welcome back to another video. This week has been crazy. It's actually already Friday. Last week, if you watched my video, I showed you guys some of the rebranding that I've been working on for my new shop update, which happened, woo! My shop update happened on Valentine's Day this past Monday. It was so exciting. I kind of wish I would have filmed more of it, but I didn't. Also, sorry if you can hear my printer. I apologize for that. I'm doing a whole bunch of restocking and getting some orders done, which is good. This week, I'm going to show you guys some of the new products that I made for my shop update and show you some of the packing process and all that fun stuff. So stay tuned. I can't wait to show you all the stuff that I've been working on. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna take a moment to show you guys some of the new products that I released in my shop for the Heartseeker sticker collection. The first one is the Slayer sticker, which features this magical lady, queen, woman in a beautiful pink dress with a sword, looking all cute and stuff. I really like this one. Feels very magical to me. And then I also made this little duck with a knife sticker. If you're a part of my Twitch community, you've seen this little guy before. And it says love yourself or else. This one has been very popular so far. I'm also a huge fan of this sticker. Hope you guys like it too. Yeah, I mean, what can I say? It's just a cute little duck with a knife telling you to love yourself, which is very important, by the way. So if you're listening to this right now, please make sure that you love yourself because you're amazing and you're probably not being kind enough to yourself because let's be honest, a lot of us are not kind enough to ourselves. And then the next thing is something that I've already showed you guys in my previous video. I gave you a little sneak peek of the Heartseeker sticker sheet. And I have not released sticker sheets in a really long time, but they had been requested, so I decided to bring one back. And yeah, there's just a couple cute little stickers, kind of in miniature form. And here they are on my water bottle, looking real cute. I really love them. I like smaller stickers, to be honest. So I'm really happy that I decided to make another sticker sheet. I think they turned out pretty great. And then I also made the Love Bunny sticker pack. This is just a pack of stickers that are also featured on the sticker sheet, but they're bigger. There's a lot of detail in these stickers. I usually put quite a bit of detail in my drawings. So having bigger stickers works out better to see all the little details. So yeah, I wanted to make these stickers larger as well as just the small ones on the sticker sheet. So that's what the Love Bunny sticker pack is. They're super cute and I really like them. I had a lot of fun with these ones. And then I also have another sticker pack, which is the Heartseeker weapons pack. And I had so much fun designing these weapons. They're super magical, super cute. They have butterfly wings on them, which has kind of become a part of my branding at this point. Lots of hearts. And they're just really cute and fun. And yeah. And those are all the new stickers. So yeah, that kind of just gives you an idea of all of my new products that I just launched on Valentine's Day on my new website. They're also all on my Etsy. I decided to keep my Etsy open primarily for EU and UK customers because Etsy does handle all of the VAT charges and everything. So that's open. They're both open and I'm really excited. I was originally planning on launching a Heartseeker earring collection as well. I can't remember if I have talked about that on my vlog so far, but it didn't end up happening. I want to talk a lot more about earrings in an upcoming video. But yeah, I decided to just be a little bit kinder to myself and do Heartseeker sticker collection only. I still do have plans to do a whole bunch of earrings, but that's gonna come in the future. Anyway, let's pack some orders, shall we? Okay, before we actually get into order packing, here are some orders that I packed up with my new branding. I think they look really cute. What do you think? One thing I also wanted to show you guys was this month's Patreon Happy Mail. This is February's Patreon Happy Mail, and our theme was flowers and cats. This is what they look like. I'm really happy with how these ones turned out, and I can't wait to send them out. I'm working on sending out my first batch of Happy Mail, and this is my first month having 3 different Happy Mail tiers. So I have a Happy Mail bundle where you get both the print and the sticker, and then I have the sticker individual Patreon tier, and then I have the print individual Patreon tier. So it's been a little bit confusing, but I think I'm figuring it out, and I really hope everybody enjoys their goodies. So yeah, this is definitely the most detailed sticker I've done, I think, ever. I've done some more detailed stickers, but this is definitely the most detailed sticker. But yeah, how cute! I love cats and I love flowers, so can't really go wrong there. Here's a close-up of the print and the sticker for February's Patreon rewards. I think they turned out super cute. I had a lot of fun with these ones, and I wanted to show you guys all the little details because there's so many little details, and yeah, I hope you like them. They are no longer available because we're now into March, but I think March's rewards are going to be really cute too, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're finally reaching the part of the video where we're gonna see some order packing content. I hope you guys enjoy this. I filmed quite a bit of just real-time order packing in this video, and it's kind of, watching it back as I'm editing, I realized it's kind of almost ASMR-like. So if you like stuff like that, then maybe you'll like this part of the video. If you don't like this, then maybe you'll just want to skip to the credits. But yeah, so I hope you enjoy it. In the past, when I've filmed segments like this, before having Will's camera, I would usually film it on my phone and just set it to time lapse. So definitely a different type of content. But I kind of just wanted to include some like real-time packing footage in this video. So it's a little different. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you prefer. Do you prefer time lapses, or do you prefer real-time? Or maybe you prefer a little bit of a mix? Let me know. But I hope you enjoy it. And also, I just want to take a moment to thank all of you for watching this video and for placing orders. Some of you might see your names there on the thank you cards, and I'm so appreciative and so grateful. Thank you so much. You guys are honestly the best. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now so that you guys can enjoy the rest of this order packing footage. But I will chat with you guys again at the very end of the video, so see you then. Well, we've reached the end of the video. I just want to thank you all so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed your stay. And I will see you guys all next week. Take care. Be kind to yourself. And yeah. See ya. See you later. Bye. You're cool. Okay, bye.